Hi, my name is Matt Hill and today's date is May 9th, 2023. And today we will be filming a video inspection for Sitek Process Solutions. Since our videos are uploaded to the web and we keep our customers' privacy, I will give you the location and the PO of the project. They are located in the US and the PO number is 216-6188. I'm going to go ahead and get these tools started and then I'll go over our refurbishment process. We have a fully loaded boat with dry substrates. Line that bad boy up correctly. Get that one going. This one's half loaded. Come over here to this one. Loaded boat, everything's dry, looking good. And then a lighter boat, everything's dry, nice and warm. And we're going to be running a typical spin rinse dryer process right now. First, it will start with the rinse cycle, where it will rinse the substrates to remove any unwanted particles, followed by the purge setting, which will eliminate all the water out of the DI lines. Next, it will go into the dry one stage, where it will spin at a very high RPM for a lower amount of time to sling off any of the large water particles. After that, it will go into a dry two, where it will spin at a very low RPM, and it will use the heating element to dry the remaining particles of water. Looks like we are just now getting into dry one. Perfect. You can see the water drops are starting to dissipate. Every refurbishment done at Sitek goes through the same extensive refurbishment process. First, we take the tool and break it down to the component level. Then we test all components for full functionality and then chemically clean and electropolish all metal parts. We also will clean and inspect the poly housing and make any repairs or replacements if needed. There are times where clients will send in just the head assembly, like this one right here. That way they can just pull out the damaged or the particular head that they are needing to repair and not be tooled down for a full double stack. Once all the components have been prepped and ready to go, the SRD heads will move into our dry quality control area. At our dry quality control area, the SRDs are built up from the ground up prior to having any facilities installed. After it passes the dry quality control area, it will move into our wet quality control area, where then it will have the facilities installed and test for full functionality. All right. After it passes both dry and wet quality control, it will move into its final stage, is what you see right here. Lastly, we bring it into our final stage and we run 50 different recipes and varieties, process recipes, to ensure that the SRD is ready for a plug and play once it gets back to your fab. Looks like we're in the dry two now. Got about 3-4 minutes left. In addition to SRD refurbishments, we also offer all service and parts for the SRDs themselves. This includes motor repairs, amp repairs, controller repairs, windows, doors, solenoid valves, ACR valves, heater blankets. Basically anything you need to keep your SRD up and running, Sitek can provide that for you. We also are always looking in ways to better the SRD and make it easier for our clients. We have come up with our Slick Device controller, which is a touchscreen S1 controller that is a plug and play to the 101 or 102 controller. And it has built-in into saver capabilities, preventative maintenance capabilities, and can save up to 20 different recipes. All right. right, looks like we have just over about 2 minutes left on the dry 2. You can see that the particles, the water particles are starting to disappear. You can barely see any in there now. Everything is running nice and smooth. Take a look at the back. All right. All right, looking good. And then the Sitek also offers a variety of other equipments, such as the HTC box washer. We do parts and services on the 4000, 8000, 8010, 8020, 8030. We also have equipment such as mass cleaners, such as K&S and Ultra T. We have photoresist pumps and pump repair as IDI, Cybor, and Millipore. Barrel ashers and etchers and microscopes. Down to our final minute. Looking good. All right. On top of the slick device and trying to improve the SRD, we have also re-engineered the Foxborough resistivity probe. This allows you to run a clean process without having any contaminants in there, and is a fail-safe against having extra particles. All right, looks like we're down to our final 30 seconds. Chamber is looking perfectly dry. Double check the back. All right. Housing's looking good. Our 101 controllers are operating properly. All right. Looks like we're down to 3, 2, 1. We'll see that our RPM is slowing down now. Once the RPM gets low enough, the RSP will fire, allowing the rotor to set at a 12 o'clock. Boom. Substrates are nice and dry. There's a drop or two inside the bowl, but we don't want it to be bone dry, so that's looking good. RSP will fire for this at about 75. Seal will break. All right, dry substrates. Looking good. Dry substrates, looking good. All right, looking good. So we have ran a successful process today, and this tool is ready to ship to our customer. This will cover our video source inspection today. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us at 916-797-9000. Thank you and have a good day.